Have you been annoyed by the Client Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Adobe dependency and restore that missing file. Before we start the Client Library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Client Library, the Adobe Help Client Library. It manages localized, unmanaged localized communication between localized Adobe apps and localized remote localized help localized servers, facilitating localized retrieval of localized documentation localized manifests. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Ahclient is required for Adobe to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Adobe will repair missing or broken application files. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Client Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Client Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Client Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Client Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.